Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to do my third project in the English material in the second semester in 7th grade, and the project is the ID presentation microbit and bit hand gesture. So this is the project egg and English subject as I said before, and actually what we want to present it we can pick, and the project I pick is the time bit hand gesture. So before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ibrahim Eva Sharif. I'm from 7th grade, especially in 7A class. Okay, let's jump into the presentation. The first part is what is a microbit. BBC Microbit, the full name, is a tiny programmable computer designed to help people, especially beginners and students, learn coding and electronics in a fun, hands-on way. Second, what is a MakeCode? MakeCode is a platform that used to code microbit. It's similar to Scratch, but MakeCode was made special for microbit. Different from Scratch that used to make something in computer, MakeCode can export their code to microbit it in the website or in the physical microbit. And then next, what is a tiny bit? A tiny bit, often called LF Craig's microbit smart car, tiny bit, is a small car kit that works with a BBC microbit. So this is the robot that we use to make the tiny bit and gesture robot. So later, as you can see, this robot is designed as like a car, and later we can control it using our hand gestures. And then next, how to make a hand gesture control. We use the teachable machine web. It's an AI that in a web that used to teach AI to learn and recognize some things like gestures, poses, and voices. For this project, we use the teachable machine to recognize gestures, especially hand gestures, because we'll use the AI to recognize gestures to control the tiny bit robot better. And then the next part, how to upload the gesture to make it works on the robot. We use the Toffee Robot website. So in there we'll upload our sample file from the teachable machine, and then connect the Bluetooth to our microbit in TinyBit, and done. So later, after we download the sample, the sample from the teachable machine web, we can upload the file to Lofi Robot, and then it can and use for the TinyBit. So the workflow is first make codes in MakeCode, and then make the samples in teachable machine, upload the samples to the Love Robot TinyBit and gestures, and then enter the code to export the code to the microbit and plug it in the TinyBit, and then later in the Love Robot, after we export the code into Love Robot, there will be an option to connect the Bluetooth of our TinyBit, and our TinyBit will automatically turn on the Bluetooth after we turn it on, because we already give the code to turn on Bluetooth in the TinyBit and in the microbit. So later, after it, we can try it in our computer, showing our gestures, and our robot will move. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope this presentation and the materials can be meaningful and give good things to you. I say sorry if I did some mistakes. from my mouth. And the last I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next.